Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Hariom Talreja aka Harry Jaws. Our flight today is operated by Air India's newly delivered A320neo, which is part of their large aircraft order for 470 aircraft. The aircraft will be taking us up to Rajkot's newly opened Hirasal Greenfield Airport, which was inaugurated just over 6 months ago. At the time of recording this, it was around 3 o'clock and our aircraft still hasn't arrived yet at the gate. But then I got an email from the airline saying that the aircraft was delayed by half an hour. At around 4 o'clock in the evening, we started boarding the aircraft. And here we are on board Air India's brand new A320neo, registered VT-RTF and flight number AI655. The aircraft features an all-economy class layout featuring the Recaro CL3710 seats with 186 seats in a 3 by 3 configuration. Each seat features 28 to 29 inches of pitch, 18 inches of width, and a recline of 3 inches, with my seat being 7F and my mom's being 7E. Being over 160 centimeters tall, the legroom is good, and there's a small pocket. The safety card can be found on top of the seat as to maximize storage. And there's also an in-flight magazine. There's also a large, sturdy drop-down table with a nifty device and cup holder. Overall, this is a big improvement over the old AC20 Neo's economy class.
Across the Star Alliance network. Visit our website airindia.com or app to enroll now. Enjoy unmatched rewards. We hope you enjoy our warm Indian hospitality and have a comfortable flight. Thank you.
Our flight time today is 1 hour and 15 minutes, covering a distance of 411 kilometers, where we'll be cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet.
ध्यान दीजिए इस उड़ान में धूम्रपान या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिगरेट का उपयोग और मदिरापान करना सख्त मना है। शौचालय में लगे स्मोक डिटेक्टर के साथ छेड़छाड़ करना वर्जित है। मोबाइल फोन सहित सभी
There are also individual air vents installed, which is definitely something you don't see on many airlines. Beneath the seats, you'll also find a USB port for charging small electronic devices, but no actual power ports. As the crew are starting to serve mid-flight snacks, it's a good time for me to share with you guys a tip the next time you're flying with Air India as I drop my water bottle into the abyss. Right, so here we are on the Air India website. So the tip that I want to share is that Air India actually allows you to check your upcoming flights menu, which applies to both economy and business class. For that, you'll first need to click on Air India Experience button, under which you'll click in the air. This leads you to a page where you'll have to scroll down and click on what's on your flight, which will lead you to another page where you have to click on the first option, dining experience. Here, they'll ask you to enter the departure and arrival details, meaning where you're departing from and arriving to, along with the date of departure. Or the other option is to enter the flight number along with the date of departure. Underneath this, Air India also has made a table showing you the kind of meals that you can expect on your flight, regardless of whether it's an international flight or a domestic one. So, as you can see here, for a flight that's up to 6 hours is a major meal, between 6 to 8 hours is one major and a minor, etc. As for domestic, they actually specify what you will be served. So there's no need to enter your flight details unless if your flight is more than 2 hours, you can. In which case, you can expect on demand service of beverages and cookies if the flight is under an hour, or a sandwich and drink service if it's between 1 and 2 hours. For our mid flight snack, we were served a roll and a bottle of water. Since the flight is only an hour and 15 minutes long, we are already starting our approach into Rajkot's Hirasar Greenfield Airport. And here we are. Welcome to Rajkot's new airport. And in the distance, you can see the construction of the international terminal. The reason why the new airport is built 40 kilometers from the city center is because the old airport was built in the middle of the city. Hence, there wasn't any space to expand the old airport. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.